Meaning of dry-eyed.
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 Dry-eyed. Dry-eyed means not shedding tears and lacking emotional expression, especially in situations that normally elicit strong feelings. It often refers to someone who appears unaffected by a sad or emotional event, demonstrating a stoic or unemotional demeanor. This can be viewed as a coping mechanism, allowing the person to remain composed and not succumb to overwhelming emotions. However, it can also be perceived as insensitive or disconnected from others' feelings. Overall, being dry-eyed suggests a lack of emotional responsiveness or vulnerability in certain situations.